Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Al in Nebraska on his present Lincoln 2. Al's getting cold out there, the snow blowing around. It's a great time to talk CB radio. Al, we got you ready to go. We run 10 to 15 business days back on builds. Keep that in mind if you're looking at ordering a radio. That is actually an excellent time span. Let's start with our power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 1 watt, that way if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 10 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 30 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, 60 PEP. Let's go ahead and put it over here on sideband. 100 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. About 58 PEP. Alright, Al, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com, and Merry Christmas. Bump bump.